Stretch the fabric tightly in the hoop or the frame. It should feel as tight as a drum. Insert the wire threader through the eye of the needle, from front to back. Catch the end of the yarn and pull it through the eye of the needle. Hold a punch needle tool like a pencil, with the open slot pointing in the direction you are working. Push the sharp tip of the tool straight down through a hole in the fabric. Insert the tool all the way down until the handle touches the fabric. Bring the tool back up until the tip of the tool is even with the top surface of the fabric. To make the next stitch, move the tip of the tool a short distance along the surface of the fabric 3.5 to 5 millimeters. Don't pick up the tool too high off of the fabric. Try to graze the surface of the fabric with the needle tip. Repeat the previous steps. Suturing ring by ring. When you're done punching in the design, cut the yarn and pull the tail to the front side of the work. Trim any remaining yarn tails even with the height of the loops. No knots are needed. To change yarn colors, rethread your needle with a different color of yarn. Insert the tool as before. Be sure not to poke into other loops. Be careful to keep the yarn loose and not to press it. If your design aren't as defined as you'd like, use the hollow stem clean up the lines of your design by poking or pushing the yarn loops back into the right spot. Remove the fabric from the hoop frame. Cut off excess fabric. Attach the adhesive felt to the sewn coasters. Cut off the excess adhesive felt according to the shape of the coasters. If you make a mistake, gently pull on the yarn to undo the work. Use your nail or another blunt edge to scratch the fabric and erase the holes.